Daga Elementary School presents
Kindergarten Fire Drill at Home.
together with our school principal for Mr.Conrado Lobaton and the kindergarten teachers.
Hello mga bata, ako si Jacob Skyler, Pastor Pili. Today, I will do fire drill. Kung may kalayo, ang imo payo, number 1, stop. Hindi madalagan. Number 2, drop and get down on the floor. Number 3, roll over with your arms above your head. Para mapatay ang kalayo. Thank you everyone. Bye.